In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Gmail login history, whether you want to keep your account secure or are merely curious about your recent activity. Knowing how to access your login history can provide valuable insights. Now let's dive in and explore how you can easily view this information. First, you need to open Gmail in your preferred web browser. You can do this by typing Gmail into the search bar of your browser and clicking the link that appears, or by directly entering mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, you'll notice various options at your disposal, but today we're focusing on accessing your login history. Now to proceed, scroll all the way to the bottom of your Gmail page. Here, you'll see a small section labeled Last Account Activity. It's easy to overlook, so take a moment to locate it. Beside this label, there's a link that says Details. Clicking this link is your next step. Once you click on Details, something magical happens. A new window appears. This window is your gateway to understanding more about your account's recent activities. What it shows is quite informative. You'll see a comprehensive list of all your recent logins. For each entry, there's information on the IP address used, the approximate location from which the login occurred, and the type of access. Access types can include browser logins, mobile logins, or even those from third-party applications using POP3. As you review your login history, take your time to look closely at the details. Keep an eye out for any unfamiliar locations or access types that don't align with your usual activity. Noticing any unusual activity might be a red flag, indicating that your account could be compromised. If you spot anything suspicious, it might be wise to secure your account by changing your password immediately. If all seems normal, you can close this window confidently, knowing that your account's current activity aligns with what you expect. Occasionally checking your login history is a great habit to maintain, ensuring your account remains secure by spotting any unauthorized activity as soon as it occurs. So that's it, a simple yet effective way to keep tabs on your Gmail login history. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find this information useful. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay vigilant when it comes to online security.